DPH reminds you to take steps to prevent mosquito bites when traveling. Here are a few tips to protect yourself from mosquitoes. Plan ahead before traveling. Check out the CDC's travel health notices at the link in the description for countries where you should take precautions. Visit a travel clinic or your healthcare provider 4 to 6 weeks before your trip. Pack insect repellent and protective clothing, like long sleeves and pants. Use EPA-registered insect repellents and follow instructions on the label. Choose places to stay with window and door screens or air conditioning when possible. After your trip, watch for symptoms for 3 weeks. If you develop symptoms, see a healthcare provider immediately. The mosquito that spreads diseases like dengue virus and Zika virus bite during the day and live in urban areas like cities. Be sure to stay safe. Vaccination against measles with 2 doses is 97% effective, so people who are sure that they have received 2 doses do not need a booster. A person who received only 1 dose, or is not sure if they received 2 doses, should seek out a second dose in order to be fully protected. People born before the 70s or outside the US, where a single dose of measles vaccine is routine, may be affected. The CDC recommends that all children receive the 2-dose MMR vaccine series beginning at ages 12 to 15 months, followed by a booster dose at 4 to 6 years of age. Speak with your healthcare provider if you or your child is behind on vaccinations, has not been vaccinated, or if you are unsure of your vaccination status. For more information, go to de.gov/measles or the link in the video description.